How to buy crypto in Binance. Now, in order to buy crypto in Binance, you just simply need to open your Binance app at very first. And after that, you'll need to go into this trade section, and after going into trade, you will see this option of buy/sell. Just simply go in there and select the buy section in here. At very first, you need to select the currency that you have or that you want to use. In my case, I have selected USD, and then you need to select which cryptocurrency that you want to buy from here. For example, 1 million baby Dodge is here. I'm selecting this one. Now, after selecting the currency that you would like to use and the cryptocurrency that you would like to buy, you just simply need to enter the amount of the currency which you would like to spend in order to buy any specific cryptocurrency that you would like to buy. For example, I'm entering 20, and after this just simply click buy, and then after confirming the purchase, it will be bought very easily. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.